Hello, my name is Manuel Barrios. I'm a professor at San Carlos University in Guatemala. I attended the course of Metaeconomics 3-day workshop, and I got a lot of new knowledge. It will be useful for my work at the Research Institute in, in soil research and microbiota research too. So I appreciate um, the training of the BDG. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Apeksha Kadam. I'm currently pursuing PhD in Pharmacy from Maharaja Sayajirao University, Baroda. I'm here to share my experience regarding 5-day online workshop on drug targets for SARS-CoV that was recently conducted by biodiscovery groups, and the overall experience regarding this workshop was very smooth and it was really nice. All the queries regarding the molecular docking, whether to how to go in a and search in data bank, protein data bank, and all those things, there were numerous things which students asked to sir, and he cleared all the doubts. Overall, the recommendation for this particular workshop is really very high, because anybody who wants to work in the field of SARS-CoV-19 must have a preliminary idea regarding where to target the drugs and what are the various targets which should be exactly used, and then you can go ahead for the drug designing and can participate in various competitions that are currently going on. And this particular workshop will play an important role in your particular research field. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, this is Kirtika Kumar. I have recently attended 5-day online workshop on molecular drug targets of SARS coronavirus 19 at BDG Life Sciences. And here I will highlight the key features of this online workshop. First of all, it was very convenient to attend this workshop as it was online and you could easily perform the task given to you on your own computer system. This program can be attended by all the undergraduate, postgraduate students, different faculties, and researchers. The trainer was really nice to us. He provided with all the required theory, and tasks were given on each day with simple follow steps. And I have learned different softwares and I have access to it so that I can use it in my future. And at last, I look forward to attend more online workshops so that it increases my knowledge and gives me the required knowledge to use it in my future. Thank you.
Hi, I am Jeshta Ahuja, pursuing BTech Biotech from Amity University. I had decided to enroll in the course Immunotechnology and Immunoinformatics from BDG Life Sciences, and I had a very great experience with them, and every query was answered, and I am really satisfied as I didn't have some knowledge about informatics, and I even can't operate the basic things, so I am now able to. So I am very happy and thanks for the course, and I'll be glad to do more courses from you. Thanks.